Welcome everyone to our little video blog for this month of May 2021, and we are super excited because we are welcoming Daniel Nahmod to present an evening concert for us, which will be held through Zoom, and we're welcoming him to share his wonderful music. He is an inspiring singer-songwriter. He writes and performs his own music and is delighted to be sharing that with us live on Saturday evening, the 8th of May, and everyone is very welcome to join. We're simply asking for a donation that we can share with him to cover his time. He's doing this without a charge to really encourage as many as possible to join in, share his music, be inspired, be uplifted, and also making a deeper connection because he invites us to go within with his music as well. So we really encourage people to look out the details for him. You can Google him, find him on YouTube. The details are on our website if you go to unityuk.org. We'd love to present a wonderful audience for him to share his music with all of us this coming month. And the concert is part of, but separate from, our May home retreat. We're offering a second home retreat this month. The first one went really well, lots of very positive feedback. So we're delighted to offer a second retreat. This time we reclaim our wholeness. We will be sharing ideas and experiences to help us know that we are whole, we are divine, we are one with God. We simply sometimes just get lost on our journeys. So everything about the weekend will be encouraging us to go within, to go deeper, to know God within us and here and through and around and as us, to make that deeper connection with God real and alive, for us to know our wholeness so that others can know their wholeness, because we do this together. We go home together. So let us go home to God. Let us reclaim our wholeness. Let us celebrate our wholeness through music and song. Join us this month. We're delighted to share all that we do with you. Bless you.